Hello Kriti.
Hello Nagesh. Hey, you look so cheerful today.
Yes, of course my dear. Today is our day.
Let's celebrate our day with more ecstasy as we children are the stars on this earth.
Yes, we are Tare Zameen Par.
On November 14, every year, Children's Day is celebrated all across India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of our country.
Pandit Nehru was fondly called Chacha Nehru for his love for kids, his affection for children, well recognized and appreciated. And so the day is celebrated as Children's Day.
Let's move forward and watch our friends providing feast to our eyes and moral values, which is an essence of the present generation.
This is Gupta family. Let's learn some moral from this joint family. Mr. and Mrs. Gupta, the head of the family. The eldest son and daughter-in-law and their daughter Ria. The youngest son and daughter-in-law and their son Sonu.
This is mine!
No, give for me, give for me.
For me!
Don't fight, children.
Grandpa, Grandma, tell us a story.
Okay, I'll tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was an old farmer. He had 4 sons. The sons always used to fight with each other. One day, the farmer asked them to bring 4 sticks. And tie them in a bundle. Now the farmer asked the eldest son to break the bundle. The eldest son tried but couldn't break. The second son tried but he also couldn't break. The third son tried and tried but in vain. Fourth son tried, again he tried, but he failed. Now the farmer asked the sons to untie the bundle and gave each stick to each son and asked to break. This time everyone was able to break the stick. Dear sons, when the sticks were in bundle, you were not able to break, but when they are single, you easily broke them. So sons, when you are together, then nobody can cause you any harm. But if you fight like this every day, then everyone will try to harm you. So be united, my sons. Dear children, unity is strength. We should not fight among ourselves. Look here, ours is a joint family, and how happy our family is.
लोग जहाँ पर रहते
with their father. Hey, I'm going to win this game. No, I'm only win this game. Okay, we'll see who is going to win this game. Hey, play fast. Papa will come. Yes.
Ricky, you both are still playing? Don't you have homework to do? Don't you have to study?
Papa, now only we finished the studies, Papa.
I don't want to hear anything. Get back to studies quickly.
और पे करम बच्चों पे सितम रे बापू मेरे ये जुल्म न कर और पे करम बच्चों पे सितम रे बापू मेरे ये जुल्म न कर ये जुल्म न कर बापू सेहत के लिए बापू सेहत के लिए तू तो हानिकारक है बापू सेहत के लिए तू तो हानिकारक है हम पे थोड़ी दया तो कर हम नन्हा बालक है हम पे थोड़ी दया तो कर हम नन्हा बालक है डिसिप्लिन इतना खुदकुशी के लायक है बापू सेहत के लिए तू तो हानिकारक है
Let's have some fun with our friends. As we know, all is well. Come on, please come with me.
Let's pay tribute to Chacha Nehru.